Hello viewers, in today's video we will learn about the high split trajectory model. So let's first of all understand what is the meaning of the word trajectory. So the word trajectory means a path which is followed by a projectile flying on or an object moving under the action of given forces. Okay, now the word high split model. So this term is also known as hybrid single particle Lagrangian integrated trajectory model, and this is a computer model that is used to compute air parcel trajectories to determine how far and in what direction a parcel of air and subsequently air pollutants will travel. Now this high speed is free, supported and frequently updated, and there are some limitations. Okay, it cannot be used for transport less than distance it takes for the pollutant to move in 1 minute. However, it can be, it may not adequately represent the transport or dispersion at the point of release regardless of the model time step. And this is also, the particle trajectories are modeled by integrating the equation of balance of forces acting on the particle, balancing the inertia of the particle with the force of aerodynamic drag. Now let's see how does this software work. First of all, you type high split, and then when you open the first page, so you get these options, and usually we choose normal. For the other options, you can scroll down and see what these models can do, type of trajectory, if you are choosing normal, if you are choosing ensemble, if you are choosing frequency. Now after this we will say next, and then these are the options that we can choose. For example, I am choosing the first option, and then or if I'm choosing this, then this one. Okay, also we can change this north to south here also, and then it says you can either choose this or this format, or even city, country or state, or the airport or WMOID. Now we will say next, and then we have to specify the forecast cycle, and also it gives you can choose from the more information, you can dig more. Then next, and then here you can choose the backward trajectory and also the vertical motion, isobaric, isentropic. Then this is the day, year, and then month. Subsequently you can change the things here also. And now these are the options which are chosen by default, and then what you want to see: the terrain height, the potential temperature, the ambient, the rainfall, the mixed layer, the relative humidity, down solar radiation flux. Now we will say request, that we have to wait. So this is 100, you can toggle down and see. So these are the percentage. Now after this it says high split model results for job number 13, this ID, and then you can see in the GIF format. Okay, now our next videos will be talking to how to interpret or how to understand these plots. Similarly in the PDF, okay, so this is showing the dispersion, or you can say the trajectory from the some source to this point. So you can save this. Similarly, there are other things that also you can explore. For example, the endpoints format, the high-speed setup file, the control file, the message, and you can even return to the main menu. You can clear the user inputs and do the analysis for the new inputs. So this is all about the use of high-speed model. In our next consecutive videos, we will learn how to interpret these files.